Hi there, it's Saturday the 10th of March 2018. Welcome to this video where I'm going to look at the different asset classes and see how they've done over the past week. But I thought I'd put this little picture in, which I saw on the BBC News, of a flying car. It's actually an auto gyro, but I thought it was brilliant actually. So there we go. Let's talk about the different things I look at: shares, property, gold, commodities and bonds. I look at them all because I don't know which is going to do best, so I have to follow all of them. And I always start off looking at shares, and the fund that I use to get exposure to shares has been going up. A few weeks ago it bumped down, hit the green line pretty much, didn't fall below it, but since then it's been rising up again. So that's great. It's risen further this past week, so I'm staying invested. Now, property is the next slice of the pie, and the fund that I use to get exposure to property has bounced up. Again, it had gone down quite a bit, but hasn't closed below the green line, so I'm quite happy to stay invested in that property fund. Gold is the third slice. Here we are. This is gold, and at the moment the price is kind of going sideways. The line represents the close, or each point on the line represents the close at the end of each week. Slightly down this week, but the range is narrowing. It's staying below the green line. That tells me to stay in cash at the time being, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just waiting for a signal. And commodities. Now, the fund that I get exposed to commodities with is up above the green line at the moment. It's kind of gone sideways this past week. Nothing very much to report there, so I'm quite happy to stay invested whilst the price stays above the green line. So there we go. Bonds, I don't trade in and out of them. I just hold three differently denominated bond ETFs, one in pounds, one in euros and one in dollars. Because they don't fluctuate hugely, there's no point trading in and out of them. So I just hold them and have some currency hedging there. So let's look at the traffic lights. Shares are on a green this week. Property is on a green. Gold is still on a red. Commodities is on a green. Bonds are always on a green for me with my signal. So what do I have to do this week? Well, nothing at all. So it's nice and easy. Now remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I do. So I'm not making any recommendations that you do this, and I make no claim about how well this strategy might perform for me in the future. If you copy me, it might all go horribly wrong for you financially. So just regard this as entertainment. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great week, and I'll do another video next week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.